How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this gorgeous Aprilia Tuono V4 1000. Awesome looking machine is this. Looks fantastic, sounds fantastic. So it's 2014 on a 64 plate. It's done 18,721 miles. It's got a full service history. Last year it had the valve check done as well, so it's all good to go. Runs perfect. It's got some nice extras on it. When you come across, it's got an Akrapovic exhaust. You've got plenty of engine and frame protection. It's got a tail tidy, tinted screen as well, and the gorgeous motor graphics kit has been fitted. You've got traction control on these, ABS, power modes as well. This one's been fitted with the Brembo RCS 17 front brake mass cylinder, so it goes well, but it stops just as good as well. So you've got Brembo brakes. It's also got a Brembo mass clutch bit as well, now for your clutch lever. So let's give it a quick fire up for you. Boom. Sounds good and looks good. Anyway, so if you want it, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.